Hello everyone, I am Sakshi from AKPIS Institute. Recently, I got to know about a new course that can help you earn 40 to 45,000 rupees per month with just few simple steps. Wait, I will definitely share it with you, but first, tell me, do you want to take your financial consulting skills to a next level? If yes, then here is an interesting and much easier option for you. You might be curious to know what it is, right? So the name of this certification is QuickBook Pro Advisor. Heard this name for the first time? In this video, I will try to make you understand everything about this exam. You just need to keep calm and press the like button. Without wasting much time, let's start by understanding the meaning of QuickBook Pro. It is basically an all-in-one software that helps you in managing your accounts from anywhere. Isn't it interesting that you can manage your accounts even while walking on the road? I know you might still have certain doubts. Let's understand it better. To be a little more specific, I would like to tell you that through the QuickBook Pro software, you can keep a track of invoices and payments, assets in one place, generate a cash flow forecast, and much more. All of this can be done much easily and from anywhere. Everyone watching this video may either be a freelancer, a working professional, or few may even have their own businesses. And I have a good news for all of you. And the good news is that the QuickBook Pro has many solutions that may be used by anybody from a freelancer to a small business. So this video is not a waste of time for anyone, as the software which I am talking about can be used by anyone and everyone. I think this was enough for you to understand the meaning of QuickBook Pro. Now you might have a lot of questions in mind, and the biggest question would be, how can you become a QuickBook Pro advisor? Let's understand this with 4 simple steps. Number 1. So the first step is an easy one, where you will have to make a free QuickBooks online accounts and take subscriptions by entering few basic details. Remember to enter the details carefully and in the correct manner. I hope each one of you has some time in your life applied for any internship or job, and you might have understood that the better is your profile, the more are your chances of getting hired. In the same way, the better profile you will make on QuickBooks, the more will be the chances for you to get a good project. Number 2. Next and the most important step is to start preparing for the certification exam. So my dears, this is an open book exam which is quite easy than other accounting exams, but requires guidance and mentorship clubbed with hard work. Now you might be thinking that passing a single MCQ based open book exam is an easy task, but I suggest you not to take things lightly, as this is a new concept and not many people have knowledge of the same. Therefore, it is not as easy as you think. But yes, with proper guidance and hard work, everything is possible. I totally understand that this can be a quite new concept for you in the beginning, but gradually you will start learning things, and the mentors at AKPIS will keep guiding you towards the success. Let's understand this by an example. Remember the days when you took admission in college? Things were quite confusing and seemed difficult, but look at yourself today. You have learned a lot, and those difficult things are now very easy for you. I can say practice actually makes a man perfect. Similarly, once you start understanding the concept of QuickBooks, you will start finding your way through it. Number 3. The next step is to appear for the exam. The best part of this exam is that you do not have to go anywhere to take this exam. You can opt for it at any time by sitting at your home. You just need to open your QuickBook Pro profile and click the Take Exam option. Also, if you have heard my previous lines properly, then you might have realized that there is no prescribed date or time for taking this exam. You can opt for it at your own convenience, where you feel that you are ready to take the exam. Another important benefit of this course is that there is no fee to appear in this exam. Number 4. Fourth and the simple step is to complete your profile. Your profile includes various sections such as your qualification badges, about me section, the number of years you have been in the company, the services you provide, any sectors you have worked in, and your social network links. All of these information have become the part of parcel of our lives. Obviously, before giving any project, the client must be fully aware of how you are and the level of work you can do for him. And for this reason, I would advise you to present your profile in the best possible manner. Thereafter, once you have passed the certification exam and completed your profile, you are good to go. So my dear ones, now you are well aware as how you can become a QuickBook Pro advisor. In case any more confusion, you can contact the AKPIS Institute. Things can be difficult in the beginning, but we are here to help you with the right mentorship. Even the most challenging task can be done with ease. So what are you waiting for? Pass the QuickBook Pro certification exam in first attempt with the right guidance and mentorship. Join the fresh batches of AKPIS Institute. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned with AKPIS for more such informative videos.